Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank. So first of all, go ahead and enter your WeChat and log in. Click on me at the below right corner and go ahead and click on your settings gear and just go ahead right here and click the help and feedback, and it's got directed to the help center. Scroll a little bit down, click contact us, and you're gonna see right here the WeChat user feedback and support. Click on here to click here and basically choose the platform, which is iOS, and select your region and select the categories. All right, and just go ahead and see right here broken or policies and reporting. Right, so I'm gonna just select right here the problem, or I'm gonna select the category. All right, and I'm gonna say broken feature, and I'm gonna select the the feature and enter right here in the description, which is right here in the categories. It is optional, just so you know, and type right here that you need assistance with your wallet, right? And you're gonna tell them that you want to use the WeChat wallet without a Chinese bank account and be as detailed as possible, and enter your screenshot right here if you want to support your with evidence, and enter your WeChat account and email, and basically prefer being contacted by email or WeChat, and hit the check mark right here and hit submit, and you're gonna wait it out. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.